Reserving Deposit Hamster Kombat on Bingx. Hey there, my name is Ryan, and I'm here to share with you some juicy details on how to sell those dope Hamster Kombat tokens HMSTR on the Bingx crypto exchange. Buckle up, because this is gonna be one wild ride. First off, let me just say that the Hamster Kombat project is absolutely bonkers. These little furry dudes are about to take the crypto world by storm, and you better believe I'm here for it. I've been following this project for a while, and let me tell you, the potential is off the charts. Now, as for selling your HMSTR tokens on Bingx, the process is actually pretty straightforward. But before we get into that, let me tell you a little bit about this whole Bingx thing. Bingx, my friends, is the place to be when it comes to trading crypto. It's like a one-stop shop for all your digital currency needs. And get this, they're running a super sweet promotion right now to support the TON ecosystem. Basically, they're giving away a ton of TONCOIN, that's the native token of the TON blockchain, just for reserving a hamster deposit. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ryan, how the heck do I get in on this? Well, let me break it down for you. During the promotion period, which runs from 16:00 on July 9th, 2024 to 16:00 on July 19th, 2024 Moscow time, all you gotta do is click on the button below and fill out a simple Google form with your Bingx UID. That's it. You'll be entered into the running to win some serious TONCOIN prizes. The first 50 people to reserve a deposit will each get 3 TONCOIN, and the next 950 people will get 1 TONCOIN each. But wait, there's more. One lucky person is gonna win a super prize of 200 TONCOIN. Talk about a serious payday, am I right? Now, in order to activate these rewards, you'll need to complete an enhanced kick verification and then make a deposit of at least 10 HMSTR, or whatever the official name ends up being when Bingx starts offering the HMSTR deposit service. The super prize drawing is gonna be a bit of a wild ride, though. They're using some crazy algorithm to determine the winner, but the gist of it is that the winning number will be the 8-digit hash of the last HMSTR deposit, excluding letters. If there are less than 8 digits in the hash, they'll add zeros to the front. Then they're gonna match that winning number with your UID, which also has to be 8 digits, with zeros added to the front if needed. The person with the highest number of matching digits in a row is the winner. And if there's a tie, the prize goes to the person with the lowest UID. Phew, that's a lot to take in, right? But don't worry, my dudes, I've got your back. When you register on the Bingx crypto exchange using the referral code 911, you'll have all the details you need to make sure you're in the running for those sweet TONCOIN prizes. Now, as for actually selling your HMSTR tokens on Bingx, it's gonna be a piece of cake. Just make sure you deposit your tokens directly into your Bingx account within 24 hours of the HMSTR trading opening up. And remember, if you sell your tokens during the rewards period, they'll still count towards your deposit. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and let's get this Hamster Kombat party started. I'll be keeping an eye on the leaderboard, so you better believe I'm gonna be rooting for you. Let's make some serious crypto moves, my dudes.